morning guys, welcome to a very exciting vlog, and I know you all know what it is because you clicked on the video. Can you actually believe that today is the day? I'm sorry, I just can't quite wrap my head around it. Like, it actually feels like some sort of fever dream. Today is the day a new chapter of my life begins. I'm moving to London. I'm sorry, like, just saying that out loud is actually just mental to me right now. Like, what is my life? I feel very mixed emotions today. Like, obviously I am so excited. I feel like excited is topping all the emotions that I'm feeling, you know? It's at the top, closely followed by nerves. It's daunting, okay? I think it's daunting. And I'm also like, I absolutely love home. Like, I'm such a home bird, literally. And I'm gonna miss it. I'm really, really going to miss home. However, like, I keep saying all this, but like, I did do uni for 3 to 4 years, so I've had my hair darker. Did you guys notice? So I know I'm gonna be absolutely fine on that, and I feel like uni was harder because I was in a relationship through uni. Aiden was at home. Now he's coming with me. But also, like, I just have an attachment to my dogs. Does anyone else feel like that? Oh, the lash lift is still going strong, guys. I went for a Korean lash lift before I went on holiday. You're probably like, Lara, why are you curling your lashes? But do you know what? I thought I'd vlog because I just think videos like these are definitely the ones that I will want to watch back one day. And of course, if any of you guys are interested in seeing the new chapter, you know, this is just lash conditioner, guys. I don't even put mascara on with a lash lift because I just can't be arsed, quite frankly. The van is packed. My parents, being the absolute legends that they are, loaded up the van for me yesterday. But like, we were going to be taking my dad's car, and then I was getting very stressed because I took one look at that boot and I thought, there is no way in hell all our stuff is going to fit. Like, I will show you the van loaded in a minute. Like, there was no way. It was just never going to happen. My point is, now I was really trying to be minimalist, and I still kind of, I don't know, I don't think I'm being minimalist anymore, but now that I know we've got a bit more room, I'm like adding loads of things in, like last minute panic. But it's fine, it's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I need to just, you know, I still feel like I have loads to do. See, that was never going in a car. The time has come that I was dreading. They have no idea. Going. I feel so high up and far away from
I feel like breathing the air so
We're in. It's been a busy old day. I didn't really vlog much in the end. Wait, let me put you down in my new bedroom. Also, guys, I can't locate the hairbrush in the absolute chaos and mess. Wow, it is mental. Oh, Aiden, a squirrel. We're in. Everything has been unloaded. It was hard work because we had to get out the van, like, into the building, into the lift, into the hallway, into here. But we're in. My dad has just left. He very kindly drove us here. I just basically need to sort out all the shit because look at this mess right now. Just an disclaimer, I cannot find my hairbrush. Lovely, lovely. Right there?
Yeah, I am. You alright?
What are you doing? Say hi.
Hey.
Right, I'm gonna start. I don't know where I'm gonna start, but I'm gonna start somewhere. Got to start somewhere. Oh, also, so nice. Like a girl that knocked on the door. Oh, football's on already. what I was trying to say. A girl knocked on the door from next door and was like, welcome, nice to meet you, here's a box of chocolates. I'm sorry, how nice is that? Oh, she lives next door with her boyfriend. So cute. Right, I tell you what, get the kettle and toaster out first, which is in another box somewhere. How big is this? Do you want to help me do the rug?
Yeah. It's a very nice bathroom, I have to say.
Yeah, it's lovely. Oh, I'm so happy about this. Guys, I got a large fireside candle from the right company. Oh, I can smell it already.
Oh. Anything you want? Crisps, chipsticks, or nuts, or?
Crisps or nuts. Oh, well done. Come smell this.
Give me a second.
It just smells cozy.
Yeah, it does smell cozy.
Can you pass that basket, please?
What basket?
The wicker. Big wicker. Okay.
What?
You remove the rubber there. At least I think that's what it's saying. Please remove the rubbers before assembling. Yes. So can you do me a favour? Take these hats and bits off. We are taking a break and going downstairs to Waitrose to get something for dinner because there is a Waitrose like literally 2 floors down. And it's brand new open, so hard work, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hard graft.
Aiden's been putting the red bin together.
Sort of.
I've put 2 beds and lamps together. Sorry? Woo! See, I'm wearing red for Manu. It's still such a mess and I still can't find my hairbrush, so it's becoming a bit of a problem now. Also, it's so cool, they have loads of events on all the time. We missed it though, our apartment complex, but we missed it because they had a Halloween party. And what was it, wine and cheese night, and yes, I'm hungry. They got dining for 2, £15. Wait, what is it? One main, one side, one starter, dessert. What are you thinking? That was quick. The only thing we picked up was I picked up a free Christmas catalogue. It just wasn't really, nothing was really taken out of it, so I think we're just going to order something. And as Aiden said, he doesn't like to stay at the flat at the minute, which I have to agree with. Guys, this was the lamp that I think I spoke about it in my last video. It was flat packed, but I put it together. So we don't have to have the main light energy. Main light vibe.
Main light vibe. Control.
Our TV has to go on to decide to live real.
So you have to hold down the button or not?
No, press the back of the TV.
They're not been working, is it?
I always have to do that, I forgot. Aga mama.
If you want.
You would not say that.
I didn't actually realise that was on.
What do you want?
I don't know, because I've had literally every taken under the sun in the past couple of weeks.
Nice. Nando's. I want Chinese.
You really want a Chinese, do you?
Mm.
Let me see what's on the Chinese, because if they've got chicken wings, I'll go for it.
PJs are on, guys. It's actually quite hot in here. But which is going to be great, because in the winter, won't need to have the heating on. That was quick.
He's right outside.
Ah, yay. Can you get in there?
Yes, just about.
We'll see, look how cool they're. I don't know why this excites me so much. Look. Ready? Wait. And then you just press it off. And then the bath. So cool. Okay, yay, food. Yum. Oh.
Yum indeed.
Mine is so rogue.
Yours is so plain.
It's not actually plain though. It's a new thing and it's actually quite rogue. It's a, I don't even remember what it was. It was some sort of Paris wrap, but it's got mac and cheese in it.
Mac and cheese a bit, yeah.
Which is quite bizarre, but actually looks incredible. Look at that. Oh, we've got chicken, we've got mac and cheese.
That's pretty nice.
That does look pretty nice. Corn on the cob, don't know why. Never got a corn on the cob.
ages.
I'm starving. Can you get the wine out of the fridge, please?
Chicken wine. Cheers.
Oh, that's nice and chilled.
Nice and chilled.
Oh, look at my hair. Thank the Lord. Anyway, morning guys, next day. We're actually up bright and early. The clocks went back forward. It's lovely and sunny this morning, so hopefully it stays out. Oh my god, my hair. But yeah, I think the plan, we're kind of just going with the flow. I want to do something autumnal, and I also want to do something because it's sunny, you know? Potentially Regent's, is it yeah, Regent's Park area, a walk and coffee or a matcha. And then we also need to do a food shop today and sort out this situation because I currently can't get into my bed. Yeah, it's such nice weather. Aiden's gone back upstairs to get a hat. I actually feel like it's really cold outside today, that's why I've got my scarf on. You want to see my outfit? But yeah, I just can't believe, like, I feel like I'm dreaming, like, waking up in my own apartment. And it's like my dream apartment. Like, this place, this exact place, was on my vision board for 2025. Like, sorry, vision boards work. Like, this is proof. Like, I just feel like I'm dreaming. Like, I'm actually so grateful. I'm so happy. I could just keep like walking into the bathroom and I'm like, oh my god, this is mine. This is my bathroom. Guys, we just came to a cafe in, I was going to say Melbourne, Marylebone. Got a hot matcha. I've got a hot matcha oat latte, which I'm such an iced, sorry. I'm such an iced drink girl, but I wanted a hot one because it's freezing. It's a couple hours later, we've actually done like 12,000 steps already. It's 20 past 11. We walked around the whole of Richmond Park, which is so nice. And then we, well, was it, isn't that what I said? Did I?
Probably didn't, probably mustn't have.
And then we went up to Primrose Hill, which I think I filmed, which is a lovely view. It's been like the perfect autumnal morning. Sunny, cold, windy. But I've got my big scarf on. You can probably not hear what I'm saying right now. Oh, we just did our first food shop. Please ignore the mess behind me. That was a mission. Time to put it all away. I don't even know where to start. This is coming off. I'm trying to make the couscous chickpea salad thing that Sophia and Jinsia make. Did they have couscous actually? I don't know. But I'm kind of just winging this. Adding my chickpeas. Tuna. Yeah, my studio's gonna smell of tuna. Okay, tuna's in. I always want to put the couscous in. Is it ready? Yeah. Yum. Now I'm gonna add my red onion. What's the cooking channel now? Okay, this is the current situ. I'm gonna add some pepper. Such a mess. Right, a bit of pepper. I don't know whether to add this honey mustard dressing or I just put balsamic glaze on the top. Or both. Now we eat basically, but I'm gonna treat myself to a cheap Diet Coke.
Yeah, do it.
Caffeine free, of course. Also, I got this glass of Sheen and I just love it. I think a nice coffee or a matcha in there. Oh, a matcha in there is gonna be incredible. Right, what's that then? Polystyrene. It's following me everywhere. Crisp. me just take a second for this cupboard, although most of the plates are in the dishwasher. But look, we've got the gorgeous new match set. These pastel's, I just love them. They're from Dusk actually. And then our plates, I think I showed them in the last one. They are M&S. Just loving the white marble backdrop. Oh, and this is the microwave. And this area needs sorting out, as you can see, but the velvet goes there. Lovely. Yeah, it's a mess. It's a mess. Yum. Yum. Wow. Yum. Marie would be proud. I've got my posters. Hey guys, it's a bit dark. I've had to turn off the light because it was flickering. I was just finishing editing this vlog and then I realised that I never ended it. And I've actually, like, when I'm recording this, we've been here for 2 weeks today. 2 weeks today, like, it's actually mental. I hopefully have a couple more vlogs coming out after this one. I'm currently just been sat. Look at this cozy setup. Cup of tea, and I have been reading my blanket because I want to do more reading. And guys, for my birthday, I got a colour Kindle. So cool. Anyway, I need to end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more vlogs. And also go follow my TikTok because I've been posting quite a few more on that Lara Rosebird one. Anyway, love you all. Bye.